From the students of Penn State Meteorology, here is your Penn State Campus Weather Service forecast.
Good Tuesday afternoon. I'm Matt Hoenig with your CNET forecast. It's been a very quiet start to the week in terms of weather, and that's going to stay that way over the next several days. Right now, a few breaks of sun starting to break out in between the clouds over Nittany Valley, and where the sun is coming out, temperatures are warming up pretty nicely, approaching the 60-degree mark here in State College. Generally low to middle 60s across the eastern portions of our state, but it's still pretty chilly across the northwestern areas where we're only in the 40s and low 50s this afternoon. And where we have the cooler temperatures is also where we have some clouds and scattered showers, mainly across the north central and northeastern portions of the state. This is associated with a weak system just off to our west. It's not going to bring a whole lot in terms of clouds and precipitation, but what comes behind it is a reinforcement in the chilly air mass over our region, and that's going to be the story over the next several days. But this evening, let's time out those showers. By around 3:30, 4 o'clock, they're moving into the State College area. They will move off to the east, but a few more showers may develop closer to sunset across the northwest, so the threat does exist at least through the early evening hours. Tonight, those showers tend to die off, and we'll see just some leftover clouds. Waking up tomorrow morning, though, a few rain or maybe even light snow showers are possible across the northwest. Otherwise, an increase in sunshine across much of the state, and we'll see more of that sunshine into Wednesday afternoon. But then our attention turns to this weekend. We're going to be watching a storm develop off to our south, and it's going to ride up the coast, and depending on how close this storm tracks to us will determine just how much rain we get. Right now, it's looking like at least the eastern half of the state will likely see some rain and perhaps even some wind out of this. And in the higher elevations, we could see a few wet snowflakes mix in as well. The general timing for the storm is to start late Friday and persist all the way through Saturday into perhaps the first half of Sunday. And that's going to have major impacts for the football game here on Saturday. A chance of rain throughout basically the entire day, with probably the best chance for a steady rain coming late in the game and after the game. And temperatures really struggle to warm past the lower 40s. So it's going to be one of those cool, damp, raw October afternoons. Make sure you have the poncho with you if you're heading over to Beaver Stadium. But at least over the next couple of days, the weather will stay quiet. A brisk wind develops behind the front tomorrow, and temperatures only make it into the mid-40s, and that's the story over the next couple of days, is just how chilly it's going to be. Our average high temperatures for this time of year are in the upper 50s. We're going to be a good 10 to 15 degrees below that over the next 7. Again, as I'm mentioning, we're going to see that storm move in late Friday into Saturday, mostly a rain event, but a few wet snowflakes perhaps in the higher elevations, a few leftover showers for Sunday and Monday before finally clearing out into the day on Tuesday. But the general trend is for those temperatures to stay well below average. I'm Matt Hoenig with the Campus Weather Service. Thanks for watching and enjoy the rest of your evening.